Edinburgh is the jewel in the Scottish crown, a bustling hub for business, education and tourism that attracts 5 million visitors per year. Host to sporting events, world-famous plays, musicals and the biggest names in British comedy. Home to 6 universities, financial services, science, technology and business startups. The greenest city in the UK with high average salaries and low commute times. Not surprising, it's regularly voted one of the happiest places to live in the UK. Edinburgh is a city where the market dynamics make it ripe for buy-to-let investment. While the population has increased by nearly 25% over the last 2 decades, the housing supply hasn't kept pace, with a shortfall of nearly 30,000 units. As a result, the city has seen some of the highest price growth in the UK, while rents have increased even faster, by 14.7% in the year to October 2022. These are not trends that are about to go into reverse. Far from it. The Carrick is an opportunity to buy into this Scottish growth story. The development is located to the southwest of the city in a residential area and in close proximity to gyms, supermarkets, cafes and parks. There are 4 golf courses within 2 kilometres of the development, and the famous Murrayfield Stadium is just a short journey away. The development is a 5-storey building offering light and spacious accommodation. There are just 27 units available exclusively through IP Global. Most apartments have Juliet balconies, with the penthouse units offering spacious terraces. Prices start from £237,000, with yields expected to be up to 5.5%. With just a 20% deposit needed at exchange and the balance on completion, you could invest with as little as £50,000. For details of buy-to-let mortgage finance and rental returns, or to request a brochure, floor plans and further details, get in touch with IP Global today.